In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish an app with Base44 in 2025. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring even if you're new to app development, you'll find the process straightforward and rewarding. To begin, head over to base44.com. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, don't worry, creating a new account is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Base44 dashboard, which is your central hub for building and managing your app. Next, you're ready to create a new app. On the dashboard, look for the option that reads New App, or sometimes Create. Click on it to start the process. Base44 provides a couple of options here. You can choose to use a pre-designed template if you want to quickly set up the basic structure. Alternatively, you can leverage Base44's AI features by typing in a natural language prompt, which will help generate the framework for your app automatically. This can be particularly handy if you have a specific vision in mind, but prefer Base44 to handle the initial setup. Once you have the skeleton of your app, it's time to move on to editing the visuals and layout. Base44 offers a robust visual editor that lets you customize practically everything: colors, fonts, images, spacing, and buttons. Remember to keep a consistent look across all your pages for a professional finish. You can apply a global theme to maintain this consistency, ensuring your app looks cohesive and visually appealing. Now, let's focus on configuring data, authentication, and integrations. Here, you'll add data tables to organize your information and set up user authentication to manage access securely. You may also want to include integrations with services like Stripe for payments or email services for communication. Base44 simplifies this process with built-in panels for each integration, and it automatically handles database and storage, so you don't have to worry about back-end complexities. Before you publish, make sure to preview and test your app. Activate the preview mode for both desktop and mobile views to see how your app functions across different devices. Test critical flows like sign-up processes, form submissions, and file uploads. Also, ensure the design's responsiveness to provide a seamless user experience. Finally, to make your app live, navigate to the dashboard and click on Publish. Here, you can choose to host your app on a Base44 subdomain or use a custom domain. Should you go with a custom domain, you'll need to add it in the dashboard under the Domains section and follow the provided DNS setup instructions. Once that's completed, your app will be live and accessible to the world. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating and publishing an app using Base44. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we're excited to see what you create. Thank you for tuning in.